Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how I create my wig stands. To start, get a couple of 1-inch dowel rods and a wood base from your local craft store. Measure out how tall you want each stand to be. I chose 9 inches because it'll fit on my shelves better. For longer wigs, you may want to make them over 12 inches tall. I then cut the dowels along my cut lines with my Dremel. This is a lot easier if you use a hand saw or other electric saws. I don't have any of those, and I was too impatient to borrow one, so I used my Dremel. Because I used my Dremel and couldn't cut all the way through cleanly, I then had to sand down the inside. It's another reason why a saw would be a better option in the long run. You're then going to want to measure where on your wood base you want the stands to be. Keep in mind that the closer together they are, the more your wigs may touch. There are 2 ways to attach these dowels. The first is to use wood glue on the undersides and just glue the dowels to the base. This is really hard if the dowels aren't 100% flat on the bottom. You may need to also tape them down while the glue dries. The second way is to drill holes into the base and the dowels and use screws to attach them together. In the end, no matter which method you use, they're both stable and you can barely tell which one is which. You could stop here if you wanted to, but to make it easier for the wigs to stay on the wig stand, I then used 4-inch styrofoam balls and cut them in half. Then, I hot glued the balls to the dowels. This will create a base that you can pin your wigs to during travel. Otherwise, the wigs may slide off the dowels. Or you'll have to pin the wigs to the wood underneath, which is a little bit harder to do. And there you have it, an easy and cheap way to create a wig stand. I think I spent $10 on 2 wig stands that hold 4 wigs each, while most wig heads are $5 each. I can also fit 8 wigs in a space in my closet that would only hold about 4 wig heads max. So I'm saving on space and money. So thank you for checking my tutorial. Don't be afraid to suggest other videos you'd like to see in the future, like and subscribe for more, and no matter how you cosplay, make sure to stay creatively you.